Why does your scanner show the P0255 engine code? What does it mean? P0255 is a diagnostic trouble code for injection pump fuel metering control, a intermittent cam rotor injector. This engine code indicates that the PCM detected a high signal or fault in the fuel injection pump's fuel metering control system. This often points to a problem with a fuel metering sensor, the control circuit, or the injection pump itself. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Fuel injection pump or actuator. Wiring and electrical issues. PCM or ECM failure. Fuel pump issues. Fuel pressure sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Nissan, and Mercedes models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.